Hello and welcome. If you have a sloping garden, you might think it's difficult space to work with, but with a little creativity and some thoughtful planning, you can turn that slope into a beautiful and functional garden that you will love spending time in. Here are some ideas to help you get started. First, consider the direction of the slope. If it is facing south, for example, you might want to plant sun loving plants such as lavender or rosemary. If it's facing north, you might want to choose plants that prefer shade like ferns or hostas. To make the most of the slope, consider creating terraces. This can be done using retaining walls, which not only create flat areas for planting but also add visual interest to the garden. You could also use steps or paths to create a gradual transition between the levels. If you want to add some height to your garden, consider planting tall shrubs or trees at the top of the slope and gradually decreasing the height of plants as you move down the slope. This creates a layered effect that adds depth and interest to the garden. You can also use hardscaping elements like rocks, boulders, or a water feature to create a focal point in the garden. These elements can also help to ensure the slope and prevent erosion. Don't forget about the practical aspect of gardening on a slope. Consider using mulch or ground covers to help retain moisture and prevent erosion. And make sure you have a good irrigation system in place. Ground covers. Ground covers are a great choice for a sloping garden because they help to prevent erosion and add visual interest. Some good options include creeping phlox, ajuga, and sedum. Shelves can provide a lot of structure to a garden and can also help to ensure the slope and prevent erosion. Some good choices for a slope garden include Spirea, Weberum, and Forsythia. Perennials are a good choice for a sloping garden because they come back year after year and can add a lot of color and texture to the garden. Some good options include black-eyed Susans, daylilies, and cornflowers. Trees can provide shade and structure to a garden and can also help to prevent erosion. Some good choices for a sloping garden include redbirds, dogwoods, and crabapples. Vines can add vertical interest to a sloping garden and can also help to prevent erosion. Some good options include climbing, hydrangea, and honeysuckle. With a little planning and creativity, a sloping garden can be transformed into a beautiful and functional outdoor space. So get started on your design today. Choosing the right plants for a sloping garden can make all the difference in creating a beautiful and thriving outdoor space. So consider these options and get started on your garden design today. And thanks for watching.